Hello, in this video, I will be showing you how to fix this error. When your PC runs into a problem and then it needs to restart. This can also be called the blue screen of death. This error can be caused by newly added hardware, such as maybe a new RAM or a hard drive or faulty hard drive. If you keep on encountering this problem, try to update your graphics driver. Just right-click, go on your device manager. Then go under display adapters, right-click, then you say update driver. Try to select the browse my computer for drivers. Then let me pick from my list. Then choose the previously working one. You install it. If you keep on having this problem, then you can also try this to see if your computer has a corrupted files. Just go on your Windows, type in cmd, run as administrator. You'll need to type in this sfc /scan now. Press enter. This will take some time, but it will then check your Windows for corrupted files and then fix them. Try this and see if it works. You're done.